I will take this seat from you. You will never understand. And that will be the end of your political career. I am telling you, because of you, what you and Samira did. And you know what I am talking about. That thing you people decided to do. I will make sure you will never enter parliament after 2028. You can say whatever you want to say. You can say you have the numbers in your constituency. You can say you are the controller of Efutu. You have all the numbers. May say what will happen to you in 2028 elections. You will never get over it. And that will shock you to the point it will be tough for you to walk from your room to your bedroom. After all these things, shall I tweet? Shall I tweet? Thank you. Hey, Ghana. Jack, Ekuro, what's some gua? Shall I tweet? I parfuse the day, then Granford, hey, Granford, no good answer. Oh, you say, hey, if I say parfuse the day, it's Aqua or Sorrow. I dream that the similar you say. Sometimes, no, Colombia, and Teculat was. You know, video. All right, but I told you about this way. Eggy, by another refi, but still a refi.
Once and neighbor, I've been in a sentence. So, what we need to know. So, video fans about command so share like a former woman. Faboso.
Oniani, good evening. Share, Faboso, Odieni. Osieni, no. I, Osieni, and say, Musa, now your commentary be. We shall Real Madrid, na horse, she be. Osieni, no. We your commentary, na minimo, Osieni, talented Osieni. But Osieni didn't talk about me and some to be a more. I said, the only make cordon kui. Osimi didn't talk about more and some to be a me. Who didn't to be mammy? Osia, Nipanche, I, Osieni, no. It's a Ghana, the ope, a year. A channel Sebio Omoka Eduane. One thing I like about Sieni or church say Eduane pa organic food, and that's good thing about him. Eduane pa ubedi Emma Sebio Unwato Ghana. And sometimes no Eduane no a year senior to me a bit to me the found the sound yare. I'm not approving some of the medications Sieni sometimes or prescribing on the platform so. But one home medications ni bina normal fitting sometimes eduane bi wa otumi kyerɛkyerɛ apomden de manipa and send your boy organic food near the day. I'm very excited about how Osieni is shaping up ekujuma Omagana for Ekon Edo Equia and send your ekujuma ama sebi yeniso. Enti follow Osienia. I'm not going the channel Nankasa Dina Mabakacho no follow the channel no. Or yeah, very educative things so hopa or Chenko force and Ebeya obey Kuya over to me a two man king over Hokron send over to send a Diani Biko any other day. We need to have all this local content a bois. MSCBO, yes, so you say if you be fear pa a bois. Into Osieni and so is going on a different level. We need to use social media sometimes to educate and also to disprove to people say ebia enye dwuma bia yedi and che say ebia yanko school and say ye ni bia out na and che say yeso yentumi make impact ewo abrabom enti Osieni so akire say se be okuani a enye say ewurum na wo na ekwadwuma no krampo no obetumi de sebio ama nipa bi esua nyoma bebre wa nipa bebre esua efi Osieni ho a na nipa bebre no enim enti Osieni yebo abaso dwumade na wodi no koso na di na boa Ghana na yeso yehu de ekoso ewefuom eduane ene se de ekọ ene se ne eboa eye amansan ene eduane pa ene emu apomudin a yebenya enti aya kyerɛkyerɛ eduane eboa ye se ne eboa ye wudi ni te eduane bi asebio bofro Adwa binini dear, me no can want some later. All right, thank you very much. Now, you can't in Juma Honsam, and as you know, the MPP as a political party, no, Omo Mobile went to man create Juma. Muntia Assembly Afenyo Markin Aka. More NDC4 any mom, most of your grass grassroots near that. A Juma no a bar take advantage. Now Muntia Afenyo Markin and no Assembly Waka. Or say Ghana needs job creators, not just job seekers. Government sector is choked. Afenyo Markin, asem way or can ene. Or say abain ehia oma omo to make create omankase dwuma. Enye omo pay dwuma. Abain to me fe dwuma biem. Afenyo Markin asem ono obie na no ka kire MPP for ne Ghana for. Afe wo hu. Mami reading the statement in Yanchero. I say, Minority Leader and Efutu MP Alexander Afenyo Markin has called on Ghanaian graduates to embrace entrepreneurship and innovation rather than relying solely on white-collar employment. Afenyo Markin say, "Obeso kacha mo school for na moya graduates they say, Sa ma adwene ye mo se mo betumi nya adwuma office no aban ne adwuma bia ma mo office bia ose mo ankasa mo create mo adwuma Afenyo Markin no obedi power 8 years onwe ende de o ka kire mo nipa 500,000 na nse mo ko apply adwuma mo nya na ogina parliament se agi musike di no ende o ka kire mo se mo kura mo pe office adwuma dodo mo nyina mo ko create mo adwuma na mo fam ko asese mo firi o Afenyo Markin no asem na me ka kire wo no otuwa wo se MPP dwene wo ho they don't care. They didn't have Afenyo Markin in parliament. It is because Muntaka man protocol. Afenyo Markin does not care about you. Efutu PDD. And final ho. Oh, when the asma obi and wakache graduates. Test confort 8 years young for Mejumano. And the Ghana for no man for Mejuma for 8 years now. Aba peso na. And this year by air pe kwambi so afo Mejumano. Afenyo Markin say we are graduate when we are school. Ope office atina. Monfam kwasi anko na munya den na ono Afenyo Markin se munya den o se munyina mun kreti mu ankasa madwuma na aban ankasa entumi fe adwuma Afenyo Markin okona nim no don't rely on white collar jobs or say menya wa adwene se obema aban afo adwuma ni ho na wankasa se we graduate we and ekufuado we graduate we and ekufuado 8 years now to fear wankasa create wankasa wadwuma akwawi asama ifiri na no a oka kire Ghana imbebunu nne no efutu PDD afemate meka kire mo ana masore na mudi atem na NDC nipa 500,000 na mo fo obi adwuma what asama Afenyo ka kire o se aban tumi fe adwuma bia mo fam kwase anko no a so ya graduate one kasa create adwuma and that was the mentality omode tena power for 8 years and asama obi na no ka kire o. But we are going to parliament. I don't want for the 500,000 Juma. This is the same person. Makajam say, "Ope obi or dirty or politics ma or very foolish Ghana politician or Jimmy Pie." Afenyo Markin. Now him there ya. Mama show there. Show there. And John Dramani Mahama na owa kwentum. Owa kwentum nyina na oye meetings. Obedru Ghana. And our friend security capos ni nyina immigration police military navy wa from nyina ba cabinet say opese oti bibia say and obi so nyina say what is really going on and nyina say Mr. President in a space of 4 years you betuma fa nipa only 12,000 security agencies ni nyina 12,000 pe betuma fa all because nipa ya beto no for the past 8 years no na na do dan kweku for adeba omiamo o man fa nipa bia. Right now, so there's no space. In fact, we need to start thinking out of the box because the youth out there, no, they were looking up to us to make sure, say, MPP Jimmy Tino my to me, and I John Mahama catch them say, okay, initially a buy no, now your name say a unemployment as sama na a wohod near name say a crazy sir. John Mahama in opposition admitted that there were a lot of young people who were not employed. But you see, Nana dan kweku for the MPP ni ba omiamono because they were liars. They were not even telling us the raw truth. In fact, they did not employ anybody for the past 8 years. Now, what happened? And they say there was this backlog because of the introduction of the free SHSR. Now, omni exit plan. No, until they hid that secret. They never told Oman Kanje Ghana for say na emebrudu duo Ghana omo for juma. Until John Mahama Asia the security capos ni nyina no. And also no, this is a national security threat. And that something needs to be done. In John Mahama, at the end of the meeting, and say President Mahama direct number of persons to be recruited to the various security agencies over the 4-year period be increased from 20,000 to 40,000 after meeting with heads of security agencies and interior minister. And John Mahama Shabo say numbers now no. No, my imagine saying come between 12,000 to 20,000. And John Mahama Ashemra wakache interior minister any security agencies in say from end Ecopim 2028 I will say in Mebunu 40,000 their respective security agencies in Ghana. 40,000 because John Mahama the other didn't know na onim se na do dan kweku for na ba omiamo no damage o my Ghana no na ono kramponi he was still underestimating the danger na o my we wom enti John Mahama Asia interior minister Muntaka any the security agencies in Periphery no this is never right Enti John Mahama to one among or see adia eye aban bia nya bi da no oba beye. In the space of 4 years from now to 2028, I will say a fa in Mebunu over 40,000 security agencies from police to military to fire service to navy or say ye in Mebunu 40,000. This is a government that is thinking about you and I. This is a government that is trying to make sure it is not easy for a government to come in and say 40,000 from now to 2028, meaning averagely every year over 10,000 people. Every year, John Mahama said I was say interior ministry, efa nipa over 10,000. As somebody told, but it was supposed to be 5,000 or less. And this is a man who is trying to create opportunities for young people in Ghana. Na sebio anka ba omiaba power, any Akufo-Addo ba power. And anka every year bia 8 years. Na nko mofa nipa 100,000 kra anka wa hande. No. Anything they be mitie MPP for na omo anything about unemployment. I may say, are you not ashamed? Ufo bi to say Afenyo Markin PDD. Na ufo bi to say Patricia PJ in penifo mu 12 dwene. Na omo tumi dina parliament to say ye ntiasie adenti nipa 500,000 ebe pre adwuma. Then you look at them and say na mo jimi. Are you not even ashamed to be in parliament today saying, say, I buy about 1 year and to me for nipa 500,000 ejuma? This is what I've been talking about. Majority of the people who were making noise when this issue about 500,000 people kope ejuma e nipa 5,000 pe de benya na mo kasa bebre no. This is a government that is always trying to find opportunities for the young people of this nation. Where abanya etnase na adwene. So, Aban kase obefa nipa 40,000 ejuma. It means Aban is supposed to make sure say our money available to pay these people. It is not just saying the number. So Aban kase obefa mebunu 10,000 every year in the security service. It means Aban needs to create an avenue where he will be able to raise money to pay them. How is the government going to do that? It is through a prudent management of the economy. It is making sure say you better cut down unnecessary expenditure. It is to make sure say you may be a win here no aban enye inti nkwasiade MPP ne Akufo-Addo ye no. This government is not going to do that. Inti we nya aban omunimu nyansa finance minister or yes smart obetumi move things around to make sure say they can make room, they can create room for some people to be employed. You will sit in a country and at the end of the day, young people will be piled up. And it's under Akufo-Addo, under Baumia, we do not get people being employed. And it's and the year pay nipa 5,000 pay nipa 500,000 showed up. Now, and there sa announcement in the president. Ede sa Ranbeto was say, a byway. This is what they have decided to do. Munti Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin say, Munti no.
The statement amounts to nothing. It still doesn't address the fundamental concerns we've raised. Look, according to the minister, 506,000 bought the forms. They've already paid some 220 Ghana cedis for the forms. After that, they've gone through this AI-generated aptitude test that has failed a lot of people. And then I was quoting 200,000, but the firm report said, minister said 105 people qualified for medicals. First of all, that number is questionable because there wasn't a fair system for qualifying people for medicals. So that is also another question mark. What it means is that some 400,000 people were denied the opportunity after the system had unfairly rejected them, after they had paid their money and traveled distances to have access to computer and then data to do that aptitude test. Now, with this increment, when I read the statement, the impression I got, in fact, the president is just adding 20,000, meaning that instead of 5,000 each year, they are now proposing 10,000 each year, making 40,000 for 4 years. But we're already in year 2, all right? Now, practically, what it means is that the 106,000 plus who have qualified for medicals, even if 20% should pass, the system cannot accommodate them because the system can only take 10,000. what becomes of the 90,000 is a question. Now you are going to take 1,600 Ghana cedis each for this basic medical test. Is that how much when you are going for?
You see, sometimes you ask yourself, say, I know what a damn no my boy and I say Jimmy no more Jimmy. Right now, or no buy a went to create juma. Or no buy a went to for nipa 7,000 per juma. And the abound is over for nipa 10,000. They have shifted the goalposts. Right now, see, oh, Sasikana and go for the register, no, and no more can want them. Aptitude test, no, and no more can want them. The issue here is we want people to be employed. The government has still opened the nets wide. And a lot of people are going to be employed on pay or say and day. And then you ask yourself, say, we mono a Jimmy and I say a Dama and I say just at the end of the day, a moment to make create juma. A moment to make 10,000 create juma. Now this government is poised to at least employ 10,000 people every year. No, almost so and a crampo there and said that be encouraging. No, encourage for the registration. It's right now, no, encourage registration here more. Right now, no, aptitude test to be on yeah. Right now, no, they feel say this is the second year. Now, how can you govern with such fools? How can you govern with such fools? Sankan Kofo about power da and Quebec say, okay, we mu yes so much. These people have been in power for 8 years. And also Okasan, he could never even open his mouth to say, during our term, when we were in power, we employed 70,000 people. Also to Assembly. From the time the MPP started arguing or making noise about this recruitment, have they been able to mention a number, say, under our regime, we were able to employ 70 or 100,000 young people in Ghana? They have not been able to do that. Question anyway, on Timingina platform, Jason can say, this is even less. During our time, during Baumia's time, we employed 60,000 young people into the military, into the security agencies. We employed 120,000 on Timing make a figure because it was never possible. They couldn't do that. Now, Obia Batna say, or sa ABM, now or the Nipani be kanwa, or see, oh, let's talk about registration and Nipe be register. Oh, let's talk about aptitude test. Na fair. So you can see, say, they are not ready to help us to do what? To build this nation. They are not ready to help us to move forward. Anytime catch a Ghana for say, and I was telling the NDC, you should not think, say, you want to govern, you want to please these people. Don't please these fools. You are not supposed to please the NPP. The NPP, they are not ready to help. They are not ready to think. They are not ready to create any. Jimmy, their job is to talk. Their job is to distract. Their job is to make noise. Now, a hole in the history of Ghana. This is the first time a government, about power, president to say, I want to make sure every year security agencies in Yafo nipa 10,000 in a year, nipa 40,000. In his 2 terms, nipa over 80,000 will be picked. Yes. In John Mahama's 2 terms, we know about 80,000 people will be picked in our security agencies, which is not a joke. It can even move to 100,000. For you to just come, me who's the MPP ni be a parliament. Me who's the MPP journalist or blogger be to me say during our time in office for 8 years, we employed 60,000 people. It means they are foolish people. They are stupid. We are not supposed to take whatever they say serious. The NPP, the people in the party, they are foolish. They are stupid. They don't care. It is all about politics as usual. And in the history of Ghana, from Kwame Nkrumah time, this is the first time a government is thinking of employing 10,000 people every year in the security agencies. And then 40,000 total in a year. Now, in 4 years. So this is a big step. This is a huge step. We are very huge. We should not underestimate the John Mahama yet. Because no government can come in place and say they are going to recruit less than what John Mahama is now proposing or what they have decided to do. Meaning, lots and lots of young people are going to be given job now. So why should any politician today say, I have a problem with it. It was initially 5,000. Now it is 10,000. So in a year, it is 40,000. Aptitude test. The children who registered. Now, he goes back to his constituency. Afenyo Markin did their oil about this registration and inquiry for Bojumani is because you see, in the past, they used to get a lot of protocols. And then a more powerful constituency. And for the 8 years, every time you have police, you have immigration, you have fire service, now they are able to control the numbers into a constituency. Now, police. Then they use the same kits to frustrate people during elections. And then only Canada, Japan, one of the likes for years. And for the 8 years, then Afenyo Markin say, "Okwe futua." No, I call it Sanko immigration. I call it Sebiko police. Into what they do is say during election day, police na no masako fufe mania de wasaba your post your maba krubo. Then they turn the police into tags. Into those boys now, police, then they bring those boys back to their constituencies during election. Now, this is the first time I get that opportunity, Into this guy like this, I can tell you on authority, but Afenyo Markin, because of what you and Samira did, I will take your seat from you. Everybody in Ghana is surprised about this statement, but it will happen in 2028. So Afenyo Markin, they will control a futu. Me, I will take the seat and he will never understand. After that, because of the plan you and Samira plotted against me, I will take you out of parliament. Ubetumaye anything. You can manipulate, do everything. Your gap is big, but you will lose in 2028. And I will take this seat from you. You will never understand. And that will be the end of your political career. I am telling you, because of you, what you and Samira did. And you know what I am talking about. That thing you people decided to do. I will make sure you will never enter parliament after 2028. You can say whatever you want to say. You can say you have the numbers in your constituency. You can say you are the controller of Efutu. You have all the numbers. May say what will happen to you in 2028 elections. You will never get over it. And that will shock you to the point it will be tough for you to walk from your room to your bedroom. From your bathroom to your bedroom. You will never understand. Because that thing you did, I will never forgive you. You and Samira, never. Now, Tiasema Oko the constituency, Oko catch the young people in his constituency. This is the message he's selling the constituency.
The propaganda. She recruitment of crowd more yet. I bet an scam. Oh, Sebi, who say 500,000 out of forms. What can offer some aptitude test be? Ed disqualified. We are using 200,000 are qualified for medicals. Meanwhile, the vacancy is 5,000. Obi Kotua medicals 1,600 Ghana cedi. Even 20% a pass medicals are 20,000. How would you take them? Maybe I catch a win by you to say. So be on him say when you medicals message on medical man and go you take them. Maybe I catch a win by you to say. So be on him say when you medicals message on medical man and go at the end a scam. You take them. Maybe I catch a win by you to say. So be on him say when you medicals message on medical man and go at the end a scam. Because who go bosia e dey akotua medicals. Who pass across we fail. Omaji usikedi. Yani aban ne kasa ontie you take them. Me dey catch a win by you to say. So be onim say wenya medicals message on medical man nko ade ne scam.
Afenyo Markin at the constituency. What has one catch the young people in his constituency? Also, I catch a futu. The youth don't want to say. So, be crap pass it near sending the message say we qualify. Uncle medicals, na yemfa de juma, wa catch your munya some monko, na ye scam. This is a member of parliament. You see, Kwasia way, I did to parliament. I be catch Ghana for say the youth don't have jobs. The youth have paid money. The government is owing the youth. What would you owe? Or call the constituency, no? Or so I catch the constituency and say. Immebru no more no qualify na. Yes, your mumbra and medical test or see mama munko because they are buying yeno a scam. But kwasia way at China or what parliament. Say a buying yenina yentieno na jeni fanchi chiremai kwasia way. Kwasia way money show more from honorables. Oh, you see the reason why I don't use honorable anyhow? You see the reason why I don't use honorable anyhow? Kwasia way I don't obey honorable. A process, employment processor, ekoswa abine as a magana for me Bruno. Wa call the concept I catch a futu young people no. Or my qualified say mama mko abine a scam. And this same person, kwasia we be parliament. Oh, and me Bruno, mama mwajuma. What are you doing? You know, you need to give them job. And kwasia we na nenko for no mwajuma no so mama mko because he just wants to make the government unpopular. It is not about anything. Oh. You see, the idea. San kwasia fo ya mom too much room. Kwasia wo gina parliament na youth na ho no akoto petition ma kwasia fo no mo wini ba no. Nti immeburu no mo no de one so oto petition ma mo osan hene aba na almost tonwom no tutunto siogu mo ho. Na otutunto siogu no tutunto siogu no ho omu yom so de ba ma o. De ode ye omo ano no wo so mo agimi. Ende me no ka say edwuma bia ni wini ba. Edwuma bia ni ho. Kwasia we nkofo akọ school enya Ako through a process. Na ebia lucky. Na say you are from some medical sir. A member of parliament need to work at some mama obi anko. A scam. And you see these people. Kwasia we. They are sorry. Na kwasia we a leader of a party in parliament. Then I sit here and say, let these people come to power. Na me abua. We only preko difference beni wom. Kwasia mpenyi we ni preko difference beni wom. Then somebody sits somewhere else and say, oh, we the honorable, a filthy, dirty guy. Or could you be yere? Na nipa ni nua bema repi obi. Eden nsakika obi mba kwasia wait was a lawyer. Calls people on phone, threaten people. What could you be yere? And was threatening nipa no kwasia? A dirty, selfish man like this. Jimmy Foey, near Tigana to some kwasia. So then some people be grassroots for ye Afenyo Markin or Makasembi or Jimmy mo grassroots for be. They are fooling you people. Because Afenyo Markin no number na open in Kofoko police him dia bedani omo into tax in his constituency. Send a during elections no omo to my botu awo was second. That's what he has been doing these years. Okay? See akoya legitimate elections ewo Afenyo Markin constituency ultimately we need that. I'm telling you. Akwa we. Yakoya legitimate elections. Hey, Afenyo Markin Owia Kwame A+ constituency ni bi. This guy. Yes. Kwame A+ constituency no. Afenyo Markin he at the end of the day election biano Owia sa side ni bi be can vote ho. I can come here and break down to you. Afenyo Markin sa the constituency no. Kwame A+ the constituency no. There is a part is supposed to be Kwame A+ constituency. Afenyo Markin area candidate ho. He has bullied his way to take those votes, not their candidate home. See, take your GSA vote if Afenyo Markin can never win elections, I will win it back. And consistently, that is what he has been doing for years. Me say, me Afenyo Markin, me mani parliament, be in 2028. I swear to God, you will never. The same way, Oko Asen South, Sofu Mokono, he will never enter parliament again in 2028. Sabo no, parliament, be obetumi aye de oye wiase bia Afenyo Markin obetumi so ne nsade na ko weduro so none of you enter parliament mu wura parliament biem. And I'm telling you today, and they are sorry Asin South MPP for na omo MPP na omo contest here with Ayesofu Moko MPP for they have moved to the NDC. Mrs. This is Asin North, Asin South.
Mpanyifo a mo free NDC mpanyifo a enka no ebubrokosua mo nyina yenya ba be hyem wa ha na awie chicheye a yaye ayeda yinima a yekọ next elections ne abrabo eda asensa tenim nyina me di be betugwa mo amuni mi di de Mr. Joseph Kofinya akodamte enka ne no ebubrokosua ni wura eneme ene yehwe neoma akoso ewo yeman mu yehwe ye papa Mahama oni NDC aban omoba aban mu dwuma omadi mfie ba akonie yen na ye wa bubrokosua na ye independent na Yes, ye adwuma Asen South ase ye gina apri to me. In premier no suni no. Ye hu say ne reset na agenda no. Edimu aye adwuma. Enu nti ene ye ne mpanyifo atena se edi nkomo ehu say o say eboa papa mama ne NDC. Na mutu di oman no. Ani kudu bra bia o say ekọ. Na ye ntumi enye aye beja Asen South ewom. Asen South yeso ye kan Ghana ho. Na ye papa mama ne NDC omo yom adwuma de ne so say ye nso no ye sure say ye nka akiri. Enti ene ye ne ye busuafo nyina ye hwe elections a ya community nyina na ye numbers edi bomu no na ema na edi nkunim. Nanso no esan say ye mfa adwene ye nkumomumti no ema na de bia na nkofo no afemu de kọ 2028 ye nya ne saa enti ye nyinara ye be kan mo ho free na ekoi ye nyina ye kwa ye branches akojoin NDC na ya ba be ye adwuma na ye say ye nyina ye bomu dia enko ye say presidential seat ni kwa presidential ni kwa na ye man papa mama go so nya wa no e be ka na emu no parliamentary ni so no ye be gi aka ho na man na ni na me say o parliament no aye bebre na afes no ye kenkan Ghana member of parliament Asen South no ye be gina ho bi aye gina ho ye nya ni otiti wa okrachi o ye wo yi enti no ye sra mo ye ba ya 88 aso di 20 say mu nyina mo meka ho ni emfa ntuma mo ye nyina no endis for ntuma no na eche ni empia Asen South ene Ghana ni wiase nyina nkwa anim awie mi frem ana ma no se no
we are Asen South MPP for Papa Yoka say MPP penyini owo edien Asen South sa asofu mokuno intim fodwo no oye kwase ampenyini o sa intim fodwo Kennedy Japan so ne nsade ne ba MPP mu Kennedy Japan mo ene force ye eme split Kennedy Japan constituency and or they half ekodane Asen South sa intim fodwo no ende ogina nkran kase Kennedy Japan abodam oko Asen South intim fodwo onya hwe wo kwase ane tenkran ene why na fro say to ene Jimmy because na adwene ne say oh Asen South there omutuma presidential kra MPD de omde mema no that boy no ende the constituency say MPP form wo so na wie onka no kre onfa mpuntiomba otenkran na o Jimmy omunyina say omune tonkwanta omapai they want to take the parliamentary from him. Now me didn't catch from the beginning of the year. He's not entering parliament again. Because of this, remember Ghana, maybe in 2 months, remember Asen South or myself to meet the NDC chairman and a Saman way. I will meet them. And I'll let them understand say it's about time they came together, forged a very good team, and make sure it's a presidential and parliamentary akaho. And whatever resource I also me Pompeko Asen South to make sure the NDC takes that seat, I will do it. And I will take that seat from Intim Fodwo. Because Saboy kwasi ampenyi we do ya ne se ba omiane na yiri using the toilet paper wan kran kwasia onjini Asen South ho on fa hwenko ho wa fa MPP form also mo ejimi fo na adwini mu no obi o support Kennedy Japan bi ejimi into during the campaign no he was in Accra and na odi Kennedy atem se Kennedy adwini nya adwuma ye bie na adwini so Saboy we teten kran impunti also di kofie Intim Fodwo fa bi nkofie o oti Accra na Samira use no ohoro Samira dross kwasia. Instead say omo to abama wo say kofam puntomra no otenkran we si dai won kran edan kakraka e na osi Samira dross osi Samira dross e won kran kwasia brafie fam puntomra no wadane ba omian Samira ba boy and the MPP for omo Asen South omo ne bie omo hwe de ekoso Asen North and the enya kra Asen North for MP or a minister. And your current is a payday. Kada. He will solve some of their problems for them. And the question with 8 years MPP ba power in team for 20 months for kotreba makrumo. Do I understand? You better ba no the Samira banantinanto no obe be a toilet or say I may Asen South for say it is enough. I'm coming together in about 2 months time. The next 2 months me do Ghana. Me make sure say I'll meet this man, I'll meet the chairman, I'll sit with them, strategize. Put Asen South, NDC together well to make sure say they defeat this guy. I want them to nullify him. Literally, election vote. Me ending the career 18 kwasia we small boy o krono ne Jimmy na 18 wetin kan di Kennedy atam Kennedy Japan and a fighting almost split ye man Asen South time asa 18 be contest Asen South and ye Kennedy Japan and command peneno Kennedy Japan kwasia mpanyi ya na di nanim magye ye obekon tokwade ni sika shemu afede edu time o se Kennedy kopre eye Frank Atuna eye 18 gina ba omi achi ka che 18 se Kennedy ye bie na adwene so wagimi and Asen South for say almost so almost ansa MPP form ho almost they are done. They are going to join NDC. A resetting agenda no. They want to be part of it. And then me meeting for me to make a channel before Kra meba Ghana the first time. Make a channel say I will take his seat and I'm going to take it. No about 5 seats at 2025. Me jini nyina. Physically, spiritually, forcefully, I will take all. And none of these people can say anything. We have 5 seats, and I'll give it to the NDC for free. I don't care who becomes the president and leads the NDC. I will take them. 5 seats. 18 for Joe 1. Afenyo Markin 2. I will take it. Send the bear some kwasia for no nipa obubuno. Now look at this.
Sorry now, Uko toilet. We are obedient. Yes, obedient. Sorry now, Uko toilet. We are obedient. Yes, obedient. Yamao Quine said, Be Juma. Juma no want man yet. Obia Be Juma ye now. Say, Utna Bontin say, Yamao Quine ye Juma no be. Mingin this Ghana for Bepenis. Yamao Quine said, Be Juma. Juma no want man ye. Obia Be Juma ye now. Say, Utna Bontin say, Yamao Quine ye Juma no be. Mingin this Ghana for Bepenis.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.